You from where? And I know I'm from where. Oh my god, this is ano, I don't know. Oh my god! How come? Hi, Aling Salome. Kanina pa ako nag-i-invite sa'yo. Bakit hindi ka umakyat? Iba yung lumalabas. Nagigigil na ako rito eh. Ano ba nangyayari dito? Wala, pinalitan ata nila to. Hindi ko alam. Nagigigil din ako dito. Kaya ayoko na. Mag-quit na ako! I quit! Sorry guys. Magalit. I quit! Kakainis, hindi ko siya makita. Paano mag-add? Germer. Germer! Oh my goodness. Hay nako. Guys, wait for a while guys ha. Maybe ano, I need to 30 minutes before I end the live. Kasi hindi ko mahanap kung saan ko siya hahanapin para mag-up ako ng guest. Pero ano to eh, with guest to eh. Kakairita. Okay lang guys, kahit ano. It's okay with me guys. Just follow our YouTube channel guys. Ay naku, paano ako mag-send dito? Kurumo talaga. Ay ito, share. Mag-share talaga muna ako. Share na ako. You are live. Oh, you're alive again. Bigas. Ganito pala talaga. Panibago pala dapat. You need to share pala. Oh my God. You don't understand my language, right, friend? You're from... Where you from? Standroff 2? Where you from? Actually, I understand you. If you are from other country, I don't understand you. But I am the Filipino, and you are Spanish. We don't understand each other, so that's why we have a problem. So I need to call my sister to talk to you, but maybe soon. Yes. Welcome to our welcome guys to our live. Goodbye, but I did understand what you said to me by beautiful. Said to me by beautiful. Goodbye. Bye. You don't understand me. I understand you, but you don't understand me. I don't know why. Bye you. See you around. If you don't want to listen my topic, then go ahead. Don't worry guys. Don't worry guys, because oh my God. Pwede ba ilagay ko dito? Dito siya dyan. Si Alusio Lumida, hindi makakyat.